ẹ̀yin tèmi ó ti tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí o. Prime Ayọ̀délé mo ti tún mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá nípa ìlú Amẹ́ríkà. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ fọ́ọ̀sì Iran sí democracy ni o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún jíṣẹ́ pé bandit wọ́n máa attack gan ní Kaduna, especially southern Kaduna, Niger, Benue. Àwọn bandit wọ́n ní wọ́n plan nasty attack. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní wá fún Adeleke. Wọ́n ní àwọn APC wọ́n wà desperate láti terminate victory Adeleke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n sọ fún Obi, Atiku àti Kwankwaso àti Makinde. Wọ́n ní wọ́n need coalition pé tí wọ́n bá coalesce kò sí fún ìfẹ́ win ní ìjọba APC. Then wọ́n tún ní America wọ́n fẹ́ fight Tinubu pé America wọ́n really fẹ́ fight Tinubu. Then wọ́n ní àwọn Nigerians wọn ò tòótọ́ fún Tinubu pé ìjọba tí wọ́n ṣe yìí òní bó ṣe jẹ́ ó ní wọ́n pretend ni o. And again wọ́n tún wọ́n again wọ́n fẹ́ tọ̀nù ìbò Ọ̀ṣun upside down. Wọ́n ní kí Adeleke kúkú fún àdúrà because oríṣiríṣi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ńlá lóyìn máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí mátà pé wọ́n máa arrest a lot of people. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. You know, my opinion is in the comment. Prime Ayọ̀délé.
US Iran matter. The fact is that US is selfish in this Iran matter, and I'm not seeing them getting things right. They agree because of that Strait of Hormuz waterways. And that is the reason why Donald Trump will lose this war disgracefully, and how we get out of Donald Trump. Donald Trump has do excess, and that's what failed him. And that's what will fail him more. So US power will be taken away from them. Iran will get more power, and Iran will do anything. US do anything, Iran will deal with them silly. So Donald Trump does not even get the directives. Even the CIA, all the intelligence, they have lost it. They have lost it completely. They have lost it. That is for that. Syria, be careful, because Russia, Israel, America, right? Turkey, whatever they are doing with you is for their own sufficient. Don't sleep, because you can soon be embarrassed. Whatever agreement you're having, be watchful about this agreement so that you won't be embarrassed. China, America will fight because of technology, because China technology will be higher than America, and which Donald Trump will not even like. Donald Trump will not like it at all. Mexico, Mexico will experience inflation. Switzerland, I see fire in Switzerland. I don't know what will cause the fire. The Switzerland is going to experience a kind of fire that will shake the nation. Germany, I see explosion. How the explosion will take place, what will cause it, I don't know. But I see a very sound explosion in Germany. Also, bandits they are targeting Kaduna. Precisely, they want to cause issue in Southern Kaduna. They are planning seriously, and of course Niger, Katsina, Adamawa, Benue. The bandits, terrorists, they are trying to do something very, very nasty, very nasty. So they must quickly be aware of this, and be very watchful about this. Anton Jackson in Cross River. If you play your card very well, you strategize very well, you put your house in order, you do things properly, Anton Jackson, you are going to give O2 a very tough time. Forget. If Anton Jackson knows what to do, place himself properly, turn the ways properly, sort out things, sincerely you can deal with O2. O2 might have challenges. Otu may have problems in his re-election. Don't feel that all these governors will get the re-election bid though, except the rig, except they do some minus and plus. But free and fair election, not all the governors will win. But like Cross River State now, Ato Jackson, you have what it takes. You can push and get things very, very properly, very, very right. That is for that. Well, in Osun State, Arebe don't have any realignment with APC. It is going to be disgrace. The calculation will change in 3 days' time. Ashwaju means what it means. You want to take Osun State. And there will be realignment. Don't try it with APC. Go straight from whom you want to go straight with. Honestly. Don't. It's not a matter of fast tracking or what. Don't allow anybody to penetrate. Don't. It's either you stay in your ADC than going to APC and align with them. If you can't join a court, do something with them, then leave it. Because the calculation will change. So many political calculations will be going because APC are desperate and they are very desperate. But if you do all that is needful and you place all your heart to God and you say you hold on to God and you do your political networking properly, who is APC? If you go and sleep, they will deal with you. Then secondly, if you win Adeleke, they will take it from court. They will use court to take it from you. Court. APC will go and wait for you in the court. They will use court to remove you. That is why I am begging you, don't be overwhelmed. Don't be overjoyous. Do your proper political calculation properly. Reach out to people. Those who are going back to APC, they are moles. They won't work for Olibanji. So the judge doesn't pray for Olibanji's success. But religion will matter. What do I call? Am I calling tribes or whatever? Will also be matter in Osun election. If you take it up, do what is needful. Come on. I still say that you can win. You will continue. That if you don't do all that is needful, I tell you, many things can go wrong. So, Adeleke should be very fair. Don't overlook anything. No. You have what it takes, but they can take it away from you. They can destroy it. They can fight you. They are ready to fight you with everything, spiritually, with spirit, money, technology, and everything. And only God will arrest the mind of the Anek man. The Anek man knows what to do. And if you do what is not necessary, hey, Osun can turn upside down. And this can also affect 2027 in Nigeria. Leave it for free and fair. They want to do everything to humiliate Adeleke. Humiliate. When I say humiliate him badly. Hurt him badly. Okong. I see disaster in Okong. I see crisis. I see turbulence. I see what is not expected in Okong. Okong, they need to be very mindful. However, there will be some people who will still step down for APC. Adeleke will ask others to let them step down for you. Sincerely. That's for that. Kenya, Kutu will go all out to have his own coalition. begging first vice deputy governor, deputy president before, will also be doing everything to destabilize Ruto. If Ruto plays his card very well, Ruto will win. I'm telling you, Ruto will win. Ruto is ready. Ruto is also a very powerful politician, desperate. And he will make different moves to balance the political calculation. Then go to the content, Kenya content, and do all that is necessary there. That's why you need most. Nairobi. So go there and do all your political activities. And there not bring any policies at this junction. Try to fight poverty. Work on poverty. And do all that is adjustable. I have not seen a very strong candidate. And I'm also go for a contest. You see how it's going to look like. Let them go for contest. Let them move. You will see how God is going to help you. And get things very, very properly and right. Mali, there's crisis coming up. The junta, honestly, the junta should quickly bring democracy to their table. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of problems that they are going to face. The junta will be frustrated. Junta, you need to save the face of God. Politicians are there working against you. You will have problem with your prime minister. And there is going to be change of cabinet in Mali. And the Mali should be expecting jihadists trying to attack the military formation and also try to attack major areas in the country. You must watch. Iran. America want to force Iran to democracy and even install whom they want. America want to destabilize every Iranian system. And America will use Iraq to cause problems. Iraq, they are just trying to rack you. America has nothing to offer you rather than to use you and dump you. That is the point. I see e-currency that will be very active in Nigeria. The Nigerian government will activate e-currency as from 2027. E-currency. We can some of the people following you, they are only following you because you are relevant now. Do everything for you to keep your relevancy. The moment you are not relevant, you see that this dance you are dancing, they will not dance with you. The people who are dancing with you only want to eat. No, they don't like you, I'm telling you. You only know yourself. All the people dancing with you, giving you advice, they are liars, sincerely. I don't know if you like me, I don't know if you like what I'm saying, but I'm saying the truth. That's why you have to struggle because you have something in front of you. You have a very big ambition. But people you are saying, you're frustrated, and play your card very well. Sit down and do your needful calculations. Honestly, but people surrounding you now and what you are expecting, if you don't, the state you are looking into, if you don't do your calculation very well, you feel the state sincerely. The only thing will be funny. Will be funny. I have not seen a black man, Africa, being UN President, UN Secretary General. The man from Uganda and Makinsar will not be UN President, UN Secretary General. He's only player. You're a player. You're a goalkeeper. You're a striker. You don't strike well. Makinsar, forget. And that's why you and Makinsar will fight. Makinsar will use you and dump you and even cause commotion for your political calculation. You think Makinsar like you? Makinsar does not like you. He's only looking for how to use you and squeeze something out of you and throw you away. So, Faye, you have to do something. You have to be very careful. Go back to the grassroots and do all that is necessary so that your political system will not fail. Yayi, you may take what I'm saying, you may not take it. Inside your party, there are enemies that doesn't want you to succeed. Inside your party, there are people who are also very, very desperate. Some are gathering up people praying against you. Yayi, relax. Check and see what to do. Don't take anything for granted. There's fire on the mountain. Yayi, there's fire on the mountain. Do your checking. Do it very well. Do it very well. Atiku will be Kwankwaso, Makinde, etc. You want to take every one of you wanted to win. You can't win. You can't. Decide. Have an agreement. Form an amalgamation. Have a very good coalition. That your coalition will help a lot. We do you what you are expecting. But if you don't do it well, honestly, you may not get what the coalition will speak. You may not get the coalition properly. The coalition may not go well. The coalition might be threatened. Do your coalition very well. And meanwhile, America depends so much and very adamant to fight Tinubu. America does not love you, Tinubu. America does not want you in power. America wanted to frustrate your victory. And insecurity will cause irregularity in this election 2027. So the date of that election, I'm not too sure. I'm not too certain if that day will work. Generally, I'm not sure for presidency. I'm not too sure. But time will tell. Let's wait and see. Maybe it will be shifted or not. Because there are a lot of people who want to frustrate this election against Tinubu. Tinubu, I've just watched his back. What is ahead? He's not seeing it. He's only seeing within. All these people going up and down, campaigning for you, some of them, they will have misconstruction campaign. Their campaign will not go well. And let me say this, I'm not against anybody. Most of the people, arrogancy will kill a lot of people that surround you, Mr. President. And they will use to affect you. I'm still saying it, and I will keep saying it. Either rigging or no rigging. If you contest the election today, Nigeria will not vote Tinubu. They will not vote APC because Nigeria are tired of APC. Nigeria doesn't want APC again, and APC will be doing what Nigeria will not like. The more they are doing, the more Nigeria. You will see. Let's wait. It's all about time. Nigeria is looking for a new government, looking for a new structure, they believe that APC is not a better government. And what is killing Tinubu is just three important things that is killing this government. Likewise, I'm not campaigning for anybody. Atiku too, Atiku might not be too smart, might not do what is right to take things to even handle the situation properly. Right? Tinubu wants one term, opposition will also run somebody with one term. Atiku need honesty, sincere people that are dedicated, people that are focused, that they will deceive Atiku. Atiku will go to a wrong agreement that will deceive you. And if you go now, millions of people supporting you, they will die politically. They will never be remembered again politically. I'm not saying anybody should vote Atiku. I'm not campaigning for anybody. I have not said this person will win or this person will not win. Don't misquote these prophecies. Because most people, when we say this, they will turn it to their own and they will misquote it. Then, two banks are going to face problems. Two powerful commercial banks will face a very serious problems. You will see that NNPC will run into a crisis. unimaginable crisis, NFPC will face it. That will be very serious. So NFPC, get prepared. NFPC, get ready. That's for that. NFF election. This election may be cancelled if care is not taken. Some people will agitate against cancelling the election. And also, watch Gusau should quickly do one or two adjustments. They will place two names that you must, these two names, if you run with these two names, they want to frustrate your election. Allah. If they want to go with Allah, they will fight you. You want your Secretary General to go with you, they will fight you. These people, some people are not happy seeing them. They strategize on your media. NFF, you don't have media, you don't have good publicity. Why can't you look at people like Wale Ajayi, people like Poja, Adepoju, people like Ezewa, people like Mohammed. These are the big names that can structure NFF in terms of media and publicity. Your publicity is not super. Then, however, Nigeria will start qualification series. So you have to wake up. If Nigeria does not qualify for Nations Cup and they don't go there to win, people will vote against you. And Nigeria doesn't go to World Cup again, they will impeach you. Nigeria is not happy with NFF, they're not happy with Nigeria national team. And watch out of these names. Akiwumi may come up, Tsunami may come up, Adeniyi may come up. These three names may come up. Even they may even raise the honorable from Bauchi against you if you don't know. This NFF thing, there's a serious political crisis going, and they might use presidency. Using presidency will not work. It will not even work. It will not work. The only way it can work is president to frustrate people that will vote you, Gusau. Yes. But however, if you follow all restricted instructions properly, yeah. Even NSC, National Sports Commission, there is total confusion there now. Total confusion. But do you know that Nigeria's Super Falcons can still go to the World Cup? There are things you need to change. If this thing can be changed quickly, then why not? Why not? Why not? Nigeria is angry of going to World Cup to play international matches. Then change all these national teams. All these big names in national teams, change them. Look for Super Eagles that are hungry, players that are hungry to go and score. If you are still using all these teams, big names, oh my God. Well, I have not received any message of any name. I'm not afraid to mention anybody's name. Highest, you will say your own grammar. It's just for a time, and you will make me to trend more and more and more. I'm not bothered about that, honestly. I'm not bothered about that. What I'm saying is that do all that is needful. Do what is right now. Do what is expected of you. If you don't do it, you are going to find things very difficult. That is the truth. Iran will hit US, that will shock US. So US must be caution, leave Iran alone, let Iran go on their way. Stop every of this politics, you and I don't know, Israel president, prime minister or president or prime minister Netanyahu is playing. They will hit you. And of course, Jerusalem can be hit, give a very big hit. This is very serious. Very, very serious. America, watch out. Watch out. You know some mottos. I don't know why Nigerian they are not supporting Innocent Motors. Innocent Motors is a good company that Nigeria should support. Otherwise, Innocent Motors will not get it right in Nigeria and will be careful of fire outbreak. NDC Ghana, there will be crisis, and nobody should dare try and plan any impeachment process. They may want to threaten Mahama with impeachment process, and the cabinet might also be fighting because of succession. The party will be fighting because of succession. Succession may kill NDC if they are not careful enough. Succession. And let's watch against political assassination. The rampant as from September, October, November, political assassination. Then let's be careful. Nigeria should watch another Christian genocide might come up, and this might bring international reactions to Tinubu's government. This is a very, very important thing, a very serious thing. Then, in conclusion, you see, she can still make a very strong case in your state. If she could listen, I've not seen who can take it from you. I've not seen yet. APC will not get on you because they will scatter, and selfishness, greediness will kill APC in your state. Ali, what do they call it? Ali, they are deceiving you big time. They are deceiving you big time. They are deceiving you. They just want to frustrate you. APC in Lagos State must work and wake up very well, stand very well. There are places where APC will not get it in Lagos State too. Don't think that APC will get everything. There are places where you see that APC, they will not give you what you want. You just come out and vote who they want, not what APC wants. And of course, the election is going to be very bloody. 2027 election is bloody. I see crisis, I see bloody election. I say election that if possible, some observers will not even come. They may even give conditions. I still repeat, that date, I'm saying it now, Tinubu, that date is not good for you. You can't win on this day. Take it or you leave it. You won't win on this day. You speak in January 16. It's against you as a president. Even INEC chairman will not even get it right. Will not get it right. Let our Premiership founder, president of football, directors, football directors, and then president, but they will not be demised. And of course, let us watch very well. I'm still maintaining this. Let us watch very well. Malawi, there may be a serious crisis in Malawi. There will be a serious political crisis. That people will protest and they can shut down the system in Malawi. And also, let the Nigerian government regulate, stop anything tax. Tax may cost Tinubu what it does not expect. Tax. They want to start initiating another tax now that the Nigerians will not like. Taxation that Nigeria will not like, they must be very careful. Airport light can shut down, and this can cause airlines, a plane to run out of its runway. Connection with TOA might not go on well. Let them quickly work on this. It's very important. Very, very important. Anyways, Nigerian referees might protest. And of course, don't think that ASU will go on strike if you don't do it well. Medical field, medical operators might go on strike. And also whatever it is, workers will be requesting for more money, for more increment. They might stood governors. Some governors, when they are doing campaign, they might stood them. Let's watch out. I don't know how it's going to happen. They will still boo them. It's very, very imminent. Very, very imminent. Very, very imminent. Tinubu, you still need enough. You have not done it right enough. You've not done it right. Yari, I will assist Yari. You need to be watchful so that you will not be disappointed, so that you will not be betrayed. Watch out so that people will not put you into chaos, and people will not cause a rift between you and Mr. President. Some politicians who are selfish, who are desperate, who are not good, they are planning to do this. I don't know. Do something about this. Do something about this. Do something about this. Do something about this. Do something very, very urgent about this. It's very important. Very important. Very important. I repeat again, very important. That is the message of the Lord.